What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by today. Today we have some new baffles for the Street Glide. So when I bought this Street Glide, it has a full 2-in-2 system with a Vance & Pines header and Rinehart slip-ons. I don't really know what they specifically are, but they have performance baffles in them, and on long rides it's a little bit much, so I ordered quiet baffles from Rinehart Racing and go ahead and throw those in. I'm going to try to get a decibel test and figure out what exact baffles are actually in this for comparison. I've tried to look it up a bunch on YouTube. Nobody's ever really covered it fully, so I wanted to make a video today and see what we can do. So let's go. Alright, so after unboxing, got the two baffles here. Comes with two flanges on it already. A small package of what looks like new hardware for screws. And there's some hardware in here as well and some instructions. So let's bust this open and get to it. Alright, so here you see we have the new baffles, quiet baffles side by side, high performance baffles that have been pulled out. Pretty much almost the same. These don't have the same two serrated pieces cutting off the middle of the airflow there, and they're also not wrapped in this fiberglass wrap. The other big difference that I don't really know about is that these have these like flanges on them and these ones didn't. I don't know if this is just to cover all for all the exhausts. I'm going to try to throw it in. If it's too rattly, because there's nothing to screw into it, I'll take them out. You just slip this fiberglass off and then slip it back on, which I don't really want to do, but we'll see. So let's get them in. Alright, so flanges did need to come off. Those are an accessory for another exhaust. The only issue is you can't slide it off this way because there's a bunch of little tacks in this mesh around here. And then this way has a lip. So I didn't film it, but I cut it off with a Dremel on a little cutoff wheel. Didn't take too long. I'm going to get the fiberglass packing back on this, back into the exhaust. I already put the other one back in there, fits nice. Get the end caps back on, and then we'll get it started up, see how it sounds, and get a decibel reading. Alright, let's go. Alright, moment of truth. Everything's back in, end caps are back on. Had to do a little manipulation there. Everything looks good. Let's get it started. See how it sounds, and we'll get the decibel test going. Alright, so that's how they sound. Doesn't sound like much of a sound difference, I'm sure, on camera. It's nice in person. Takes a lot away of that raspy, high-pitched sound. The packing will settle in, so it might get a little bit louder from there. You can see it's smoking a little bit, but that's okay. There's going to be some burn off from the plastic that's on those. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. This is a quiet baffle install on the Rinehart dual slip-ons on a Vance & Hahn, I think true dual header or power dual header, whichever one. I'm sure everybody knows exactly what they have, but yeah, thanks for joining. If you liked it, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a great one.